Alright, so we're going to continue our discussions now. So let's open up Python. So we ended with set variant noise. uh, we ended with the data wrangling, no? We're handling missing values. What else? Filling up yung may mga non-values. Alright, and normalization. So this time we're going to start discussions about the basic in pandas, no? Not just the normalization, but we're going to discuss about series, data frame, and so on and so forth. So this would be the part 2. Okay, so for part 2 of our pandas, so the title for this one is Understanding Pandas. It's part 2, no? Understanding Pandas data structure. Okay, so we need to import pandas as PD, import numpy as NP. First things first is about series. Series is a one-dimensional array-like structure, no, with labels. So it's one-dimensional. One day array-like structure na mayroong labels. So, bawa we have how to declare a series, no? So we're going to use PD. I think it's series, ayun. Series. Then the values ng ating series, we have sample 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Add numbers. And no, no need to put single quote because it's numerical values. So we have series now, and then we're going to put uh, variable first. Series now, and then we're going to print this one. So this is our series. So S dot type. So it's series. Series. Ayun siya. We also have the pandas data frame. So data frame. Data frame. So to create data frame, that's PD dot it's data capital. Ayun. And then, hindi natin alam yung laman. Tingnan lang natin, kopyahin natin, and yung data at saka yung index. So, data, wala pa tayong na-create na data, no? So, we'll create data, ha? Or kopyahan na lang to na to, itong data ganina. Ano this one? Ito sila. Kopyahan na to na data. Yes, mo sa tawag katuan. Wait lang. Data. So, assuming, wala siyang button ng value. 5, wala na yung non-values. And then, sir, for sir. Alright, so we'll have to create the data frame, no? using our dictionary now that we create. All right. So we have now our PT. First things first. We're going to do NumPy for statistics now. Using NumPy for statistics. In- So, ang pwede ra niya diri, paano ng statistics is katong niya numerical values is the age and the name. Pero pwede ra gid siya diretso ra na to og assign sa nato DF ana DF. So DF dot describe dira gid siya automatic describe. So count mean median mode. Age lang no ang gikuha niya sa DF. Si age lang because ang DF dot info ang salary is dili siya tawag nito dili siya integer or dili siya number, so we need to convert this one. So we'll have to convert the salary DF tamang kamali, it's salary is equal to using as type int or float 32. Ayun. Again, so we have df info. So ayun, dalawa na naging numeric na siya, no? Tsaka float. Okay. So going back to statistics, no? Ano siya? NumPy for statistics. Hmm. So you can use mean and median, no? Balik ta diri sa describe. Run na to outro. So niwas na. Automatic siya, no? Pero pwede gid nato ni siya um, manually tawagon na to ang katong particular column gino. So that's sample print ang iyang median. It's NP that using numpy mo diri. NP that lagi magawas ya. Yun. Median ng DFH is 25, no? In the same manner, ang sa salary sample median ng salary. Kanina lang at na lang yung mean. Tapos kanina lang ito yung median. Okay. Ayun. And using pandas for data manipulation. Next is using pandas for data manipulation. So we're going to use group by now using pandas group by. Group by. So first is ano na to yung average salary. Average salary by gender. Ba naman ang ano ng name. So df dot group by. Yan siya. Group by, so it's a group by function, no? Group by gender. Siya. Group by gender. And then let's try to print. Okay. So kung yun ani, ang negawas niya is data film group by object at kani siya pero wala niya na specific yun unsa siya nga um atong ipagawas gawas ba siya? So muna siya ang result. So you're going to group by gender, di ba natay gender no um name and name age by group by age oh gender male and female. So we're going to group by male and female. Pero ang group by function dapat mo return siya og single values lang. So para mo-return siya single values, kinahanglan nato siya mag-perform ta og computations nga makahatag og single values sama sa total, sa man multiple values nga makahatag siya og single values, average. So kinahanglan ang result niya dani is isa lang. So let's try daw kung magawas ba ang mean. Error siya. So group by gender according to their salary. What happened there nga nag-error siya because we cannot do a mean of the gender. So anything that has numerical values now, we have to group by gender according to their salary. So that's salary. Now, this is a numerical value. Diba? Okay. Yun siya. So we need to, ano siya, nataas na siya. Ano, kung saan siya, ng mga hex values. So we need to come up with the group by nga isa ra ang ma-return. So, ang salary kinahanglan isa ra yung ma-return ani sa tanan nga mga salary sa gender no per male pira tanan yung total salary, female pili ang total salary. So we can use any mathematical function nga mag-return siya og isa lang ka values. One of which is the mean, di ba? Antay siyempre kay ang title ng atong or ang pangalan ng atong variable is average salary by gender. So yun is the average.